Okay, so today we're going to be talking about linear patterns. So we're going to create a contemporary linear pattern using a rhythm, an 8-note rhythm. So basically linear means one thing at a time. It's a straight line pattern, and then what we're going to do after we do the pattern, we're going to add some accents and make it sound more like something that you can use in a contemporary setting. Linear patterns are really cool. You can use them in place of fills. It adds little flavor to the beat, little color to the beat that you're playing, the contemporary beat you're playing. I got this out of the Gary Chaffee pattern series books. And it's basically 8 notes, and it's split into a group of 3 and a group of 5. The 3 pattern is as follows. You play your hi-hat if you play right hand lead. You play your hi-hat, snare, and bass. That's the 3 pattern. And then connected to that is a 5 pattern. Hi-hat, snare, hi-hat, snare, bass. So together, just the pattern, the 8 notes is. Okay, I'm going to play that again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to use 16th notes to create a 16th note pattern in 4/4 times. So that means we're going to need 16 notes. So the pattern that was just played is 8 notes. So we're going to play that twice to create a full measure of 16th notes. Okay, so it would be as follows. Okay, now we're going to do it at playing speed. 2, ready, go. Okay, so that doesn't really sound like anything you can use, so let's try to make it into something you can use. The thing about this stuff is you want to get as much as you can in your toolbox to be able to access it when you need it. So linear patterns are great. They allow you to create different kinds of rhythms, and I love them. So I play them all the time, and I use them all the time in a lot of situations. And it kind of takes you out of your comfort zone, which is a very cool thing. You don't always want to play the same thing all the time. So, I talk too much. Here we go. So I'm going to play basically the 16th note pattern 4 times, and then we'll add some stuff to it. Okay? 1, 2, ready, go. To make it more tangible, we're going to play the quarter notes where the numbers fall with accents. So with this one, it's a great pattern because the quarter notes are 1, 2, 3, 4. Pattern, when you add the pattern, I'll do it 1 time slow, 1 measure slow. Okay, now at playing speed, I'll play 4 measures. 1, 2, Now what we're going to do is we're going to break the rules of linearity, so to speak, and we're going to add a bass drum on the first note of the measure, just the first note. So that means we're going to be playing it with the first note that's played in the rhythm, which is the hi-hat. Okay, so instead of it being this, it's going to be this. Okay, so the whole measure playing it once. So now I'm going to play it at playing speed, 4 measures. What's going to happen though, at the end of the measure, you have a bass drum. Now at the beginning of the measure, you have a bass drum. So it's going to create. Okay, here we go. Playing speed, 4 measures, adding the bass drum on 1. So that's it for the linear pattern right now. What we're going to do in the next session is we're going to embellish on that. We're going to add some things to that, and we're going to do some different kinds of accent patterns using that pattern of 3 and that pattern of 5. So thanks for tuning into this first session of Stickfit. I hope you stick around and we can have some fun. Thanks.